Hi everybody, thanks for watching. You're looking at a vintage General Electric lighted dial alarm clock. This is in a beautiful condition, a little dusty from storage I suppose. You've got the seconds movement right there. You can set the alarm right there. You set the alarm down here. I'm going to set the alarm here. Only goes one way. Okay, and then it's got the little plunger in the back that you pull up like that to set the alarm. And now we're just going to wait for it to turn again. Set this here, real smooth motion again. This is to show you that it works. Turn off this light. Coming up in the next minute. $12:41. So I'm going to adjust this so the alarm goes off. Maybe I shut it off. Here we go. That'll wake you up. There you go. This should be model 81273A. Compact enough to fit on anybody's nightstand, retro, vintage, original. Thanks.